one of our other projects that we're going to start with this week. The owner is a young guy, like around between 23 and 25 years old. He found us on Facebook, and he decided to bring over his vehicle with us all the way from San Jose. His dad and his sister helped him out towing the car over. They drove all night long in order to be here early. And in this vehicle, what we're going to do is body work and paint. The car runs pretty good, actually. It's a Mustang 65 coupe, and as you see, for being a California vehicle, it's really good conditions, rust free almost totally. All the lines are pretty straight. It's just have a little bubbles, but they're really minor issues. I'm really surprised about the condition of this metal. I'm really excited about how this beautiful car is preserved over the years. We're gonna do also interiors. As you can see, all the floors are really good, are really neat. Look at the interiors, they're really nice. All the floor plans are really good. And we're gonna do interiors, as was mentioned, door panels, headliner. The dash pad, the new one is already there, but we're gonna remove it in order to paint the dash. And I haven't found out about the color yet. I think it's gonna be the same, not sure. But we're not gonna do much at all to this car. But it's gonna be ready pretty soon. It has an 8-cylinder. It runs like a champ. It runs pretty good, actually. Brakes, everything works just fine. So, tell us, what color would you paint it? What do you think about this car? Thank you so much.